Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to another exciting edition of Auto Show. Today we have an exclusive review of the all-new Grand Jeep Cherokee, a brand that marks 80 years of 4x4 leadership. As you know, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is the most loved SUV in the world. Personally, I love all the Jeep brands simply because of its performance. This Jeep Grand Cherokee has a complete facelift and has a very new look as well. This Jeep is been built to focus on comfort and handling. It has in fact reduced its weight, improved on fuel economy, and offers a better and premium driving experience. The Jeep Grand Cherokee comes with a 3.6 V6 liter engine and a 293 horsepower. But if you want more power, you can go for the 5.7 V8 engine with the 357 horsepower. The interior of this Jeep is ultra breathtaking. In fact, I am loving it. The thing about this car is the massage functionality that is built into it. And in fact, if you are going for a long drive with your family, you will definitely enjoy this massage that the car has offer for you. Driving experience of this Jeep Grand Cherokee is amazing. You cannot even hear, in fact, the sound of the engine. It is so smooth and it's so quiet. You would only feel this if you are on my seat right now. Trust me, this is amazing. What I love about this Jeep Grand Cherokee is that the technology is quite advanced. The technology of this car is quite advanced. If you click on the rear view, you will be able to see a very nice view, and looking at the front view as well, you get a clear view as well. And if you want to wash the screen as well, you could do that. This is interesting. The vehicle blends off-road capability with a premium on-road driving experience, which for the first time in the vehicle history includes a third row of seating. The all-new Jeep Grand Cherokee is designed and engineered to deliver an unmatched combination or even more legendary 4x4 capability, superior on-road refinement, premium styling and craftsmanship inside and out, and a host of advanced safety and technology features. Legendary off-road capability begins courtesy of three 4x4 systems: Quadra Track 1, Quadra Track 2, and Quadra Drive with rare electronic limited slip differentials. Additional to the three 4x4 systems, for the first time in the history of the model, the Grand Cherokee offers a class-exclusive Quadra Lift air suspension featuring electronic adaptive damping. The Quadra Lift air suspension delivers a best-in-class ground clearance at 277 millimeters, while also adjusting height automatically based on road condition and speed to reduce drag and for better fuel economy. Grand Cherokee Lean's performance features a longer hood and cab, which shifts the vehicle reward to give a sense of motion with a ready-to-react response. The moment you get inside the car, it gives you the confidence to drive the car. The inside looks way too spacious. Grand Cherokee offers more than 110 safety and security features, including innovative applications of technologies that refine the connection between driver, vehicle, and the road. Some of the safety highlights include full speed collision warning with active braking and pedestrian cycle detection, parallel and perpendicular park assist with 360-degree surround view camera system with built-in washers on both front and rear camera lenses, night vision camera with pedestrian and animal detection, rear cross path detection, drowsy driver detection system, and traffic sign recognition. This Jeep Grand Cherokee offers you the best driving experience. In fact, it is safe and spacious. Now, if you're looking for a family SUV car, then this is it. I promise you, you will love it.